Hello everyone. You may have observed an increase in advertisements recently, which can interfere with your phone usage, especially Android. This often occurs due to the installation of unfamiliar advertising applications. Typically, these applications are installed alongside gaming apps or promoted with other software, often without our immediate notice. To address these intrusive advertisements, it is necessary to identify and remove the specific applications responsible. However, a challenge arises when these applications alter their names after installation, making them more difficult to locate. Here we have an example of a phone experiencing a similar issue. Typically, I navigate to the application section to identify any unfamiliar apps and determine if advertisements are still appearing. Often these cleaning applications are the culprits, and I recommend uninstalling them as they frequently introduce such advertisements. However, in this particular situation, these advertisements are preventing access to the settings. Therefore, a viable approach would be to restart the phone and ensure the internet connection is disabled. Following a restart, these advertisements usually take some time to reappear, which provides an opportunity to locate and uninstall the problematic applications. In this instance, I discovered several unknown applications, and I proceeded to uninstall them. If advertisements continue to appear, it suggests that other applications may be contributing to the problem. It appears that the pop-up advertisements have ceased, indicating that we successfully identified and uninstalled the responsible applications. Please note that this is merely an illustrative example. A different application on your phone could be responsible for the problem. We wish you the best of luck, and we encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Should you have any questions, please feel free to leave your comments, and I will do my best to respond.